Before starting, please put on your headphone. It's recommended but not required, and find a table at a cafe or a spot on a park bench. Or just sitting at your desk. If you listen to and accept the sounds around you and connect to your breath, you can meditate anywhere. Let's get started. I give my heart, ready to receive the heart of another. I give my heart, ready to receive the heart of another. More than I ever thought possible. I am loved more than I ever thought possible. Attracting the perfect person for me. I am attracting the perfect person for me. I am overwhelmed with love. I am overwhelmed with love. I open my heart to divine, unconditional love, to flow through me, to radiate from me, and to draw unto me a love beyond comprehension. I release any negativity from my past that may have tainted my ideas of love, and let go of any doubts I may have acquired about being worthy of a loving relationship. I let go of these fears with love. I let go of past regret with love. I let go of past mistakes and forgive myself and others for them. I am grateful for the lessons I've learned, and for the partners that helped me learn those lessons. I am deserving of my heart's desires and invite a relationship filled with joy, love, trust, and a never-growing bond that will spiritually grow with me. I am thankful that this love is on its way to me right now. Let's meditate for 5 minutes and visualize desires. Choosing to spend 5 minutes with your thought processes and breath can be as beneficial as choosing to go for a 5-minute walk, jog or sprint. Slowly inhale from the belly, then into ribs, then into chest, up into crown of the head. Then gently hold the breath for the 5th count. Reverse this process on the exhale for another count of 5. Exhaling from the crown, chest, ribs, belly, pausing on the last bit of breath out of the body, and then begin again. Try to visualize the tension leaving your body from your head to your feet, either as imagining that the stress is literally draining from you through your toes, escaping your body with every breath, or simply melting away. Concentrate on your breath. today. Positivity attracts positivity. Whatever you focus on expands. You are the master of your mind and life experience. You are powerful. You are in charge of your destiny. You decide what comes next. Declare, I have the power to choose. I am surrounded by love. I am surrounded by love. I trust the universe to bring my true love to me. I trust the universe to bring my true love to me. I am in the healthiest relationship of my life. I am in the healthiest relationship of my life. Repeat and writing affirmations for 21 days is a program that allows you to focus on a single idea. Using the power of affirmations to focus your energy and attention on manifesting something or changing something in your life. Follow this formula for 21 days. To request your own personal subliminal for effective results, follow these steps.